Cleaning has never been so easy. Need a gas pressure washer that is both durable yet lightweight? We have designed one of the greatest gas pressure washers for you. Clean your home exterior, patio and decks faster with a Simpson gas pressure washer. Keep your home looking great all year round with the MSH3125S pressure washer. Clean faster than you would with your garden hose alone. A powerful Honda engine provides reliability to complete your cleaning task. The ergonomic spray gun with safety lockout is designed to provide comfort and control. Eliminate grime and dirt. Remove gum or tough stains and clean debris from rooftops with this MegaShot pressure washer from Simpson. Its lightweight and compact construction allows easy and hassle-free transportation. Gain cleaning power in your hands. If you are looking for a powerful pressure washer with minimal investment that will accommodate even the most demanding cleaning needs, then we have got you covered. Meet the Simpson MSH3125 gas pressure washer powered by Honda at 3100 psi at 2.5 GPM. This easy-to-use power washer will eliminate dirt, grime or even mildew from any hard-to-remove spot or area. Kink and abrasion-resistant hose. Forget all those messy and easily destroyed water hoses. Invest in our flexible, lightweight, 1/4-inch x 25-foot Moreflex high-pressure hose. Moreflex hoses are non-marring, kink and abrasion resistant, which means this pressure washer hose can withstand some heavy-duty use. The M22 connectors will ensure a secure and safe fit. Select the correct nozzle tips for your cleaning needs. Do not compromise with anything less than perfection when it comes to your gas pressure washer. Now with a gas-powered Simpson pressure washer you are the boss of water pressure. Choose among 5 different nozzle tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees depending on the surface you are cleaning. Because your safety comes first, we have meticulously designed this gas pressure washer, the MSH3125S, with your best interest at heart. That is why this professional spray gun bears a safety lockout. The pressure washer is made from heavy-gauge frame components, welded steel construction, and has 10 pneumatic tires. Clear surfaces and floors in seconds, thanks to its powerful Honda GC190 engine. This gas pressure washer will quickly eliminate the mess on any cleaning surface. Perfect for all floors, either wooden, tiled or marble, windows, garden fences, decks, furniture, patio, prepping home exteriors for painting, rooftops, and so many other uses for you to discover. Warranty details: engine, 2-year limited consumer warranty, pump, 1-year limited warranty, frame, 5-year limited warranty. Among its physical features are premium pneumatic tires, 10 inches pneumatic tires for ease of mobility. OEM Technologies axial cam pump includes a siphon tube for easy detergent application. Click the link below for the best deal on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews.